Well, this is a first. Maybe. I don't know. But, yeah. Even... That's ridiculous. XT90s, huh? Seems like... Can't deal with the amount of power that's going through this thing, can it? I might have to go back up to XT150s if I do have a whole lot of EC8s up there that I wanted to try, but yeah, that's completely unsoldered. I mean, yeah. that's insane. This thing was stuttering though, but it was pulling all those crazy wheelies and dinner plating these ridiculous trenches too. Yeah, they can handle it, but obviously the batteries can't. Oh well.